The 2019 Ford Ranger has only been on sale for about a month, but sales are already beyond what Ford expected. Demand is so high that Ford is planning to run overtime shifts at the plant, according to an Automotive News report. Kumar Galhotra, Ford president of North America, said this to media yesterday concerning the Ranger. Based on the orders coming in, and based on the hand raisers, we think the demand's going to be so strong, that starting in February our assembly plant will be going into massive overtime. The Michigan plant Galhotra is referring to, previously built the Ford Focus, but was renovated to build body-on-frame vehicles like this Ranger and potentially the 2020 Bronco. Exact details for how much overtime massive means, wasn't given to media. Ford says about 300,000 people have already indicated plans to purchase the Ranger, a high amount for the current mid-size truck market.